To the Department of Media and Media. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome a young Nigeria, a media group, a geography leader, to present this young man, Engineer Wiwa Bapakola, Cable Productions. The next award, Tony Adebola. Tony Adebola, to please step to the microphone and step to the stage for the award. Tony, Ashawo to the record. Tony Adebola, Ashawo to the record. Congratulations, Cable Productions. Yeye olúwa tó yé àdúgbò láyé kọjá. Please put your hands on Yeye olúwa tó yé Adébọ́lá. Yeye olúwa tó yé Adébọ́lá started acting some 50 years ago.